Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to translate a book with Grok. So let's just say you wanted to translate this story, you wanted to translate this book right here. And then what you're going to do now is you have to simply create an account on Grok. So you wanted to translate this to English. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser, and then here you have to go to Grok and create an account. Once you have an account, and then what you're going to do is you have to attach the file, attach the PDF, that book. So for example, I wanted to use this one right here because Grok has different styles. So I'm going to attach the file. And then once you have attached the file right here or the book, then you can now ask Grok to translate this to that specific language. So you have your option. You can use this prompt right here. Or let's just say if you want to use other prompt, let's just say if it's about literature, then you can ask translate the following text into the specific language, keeping the storytelling metaphors and read them as close as possible to the author's voice. Or for simplified, translate the text into the target language, but use modern simple language while keeping the meaning intact. So let's just try the basic. Translate the following text into target language. Keep the tone and style faithful to the original. Then once you're done, then all you have to do is press enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see the result right away. Now, if you want to add some changes, or let's just say if you want to add some, or if you want to refine this translation, like refine this translation to sound more natural in English as if written by a native author, you can just basically ask the prompt again, press enter, and then Grok will give you another version for this one. So basically, that's how easy it is to translate book with Grok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.